Hello learners. Today we are going to discuss about the heaven on earth, and that's Kashmir. Kashmir is one of the most beautiful place, or you can say the second most beautiful place in the world after Switzerland. It has so many beautiful places just like the mountains, forest, trees, and rivers, lakes, beautiful roads. All over the city, all over the place, all over the state, you can find the most beautiful and amazing places that attracts tourists who the people who go for the tourism there, they enjoy the beauty of all the places, including the beautiful waterfalls. The people from entire world come to this place and enjoy the beauty of this place and have the tours of different places inside the Kashmir and enjoy the beautiful views. This is very amazing to know that it has 1200 water bodies including lakes, rivers, canals, waterfalls, streams, and so on. Yes, it has a floating vegetable market as well, where the people go for the shopping of vegetables. This is really amazing. And not only the vegetable market, but a floating post office too. You cannot find this amazing thing anywhere in the world but in Kashmir. This is amazing to know that it is the third largest producer of saffron in entire world. Now this is the time to go for the locations and maps of Kashmir. The land of Kashmir is divided into three parts: Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Indian occupied Kashmir, and Exarchan, which is occupied by China. So this is located in three countries: Pakistan, India, and China. The Jammu and Kashmir is located in the northern part of India, while the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which is also known as Azad Kashmir, that is in north of Pakistan. And when we talk about the Exarchan, so it's in south west of China. So this is the location of Jammu and Kashmir, and Azad Kashmir, which is Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Exarchan, which is China occupied Kashmir. This is the location of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and you can see that how mountainous and green it looks. So it has beautiful views when we see even in the maps. When we go for the Exarchan, so that is located in China and near Skardu, Gilgit and Baltistan. The beauty of this entire beautiful region of the world we can observe from its satellite views as well. So it looks amazing. When we have the virtual tours of Kashmir, we can find the 3D images. One of the 3D image I have shown here. So you can find all over the green areas. Wherever we go in any of the 3D sphere we find on Google Maps, we'll find the most beautiful place. From the satellite view of the Kashmir region, we can see the snow-capped mountains, the beautiful glaciers all over, they spread all over the area, and the greenery inside the region. So here are some more 3D spheres I'm gonna show you people what I got from Google Maps. So you can have this amazing view from your Android phones as well after going from the Google Maps. Unfortunately, on this beautiful land, there's a dispute between Pakistan and India. This is the only state of India which has its own flag and its own currency. It has majority of Muslims, which is 69%. The people of Kashmir celebrate the Black Day on 27th of October. The reason is that this is the day when Indian Army entered in this region and almost did all the things with them. They were murdered, they were being violated, and the most cruel acts the Indian Army did with them. The people of Kashmir are in a struggle for their independence for a longer time. They are suffering from all the cruel behaviors, unjust behaviors of India. They are crying. It is really saddening to know that the beautiful nation with the beautiful culture, with the beautiful landmarks, is just raising the voices against the unjust behavior of India. They are asking for their freedom, their independence. Pakistan celebrates the Kashmir Day on 5th of February to show the solidarity to Kashmiris. The idea to celebrate the Kashmir Day was proposed by Qazi Hussain Ahmad of Jamaat Islami in 1990.